All right, guys, another unboxing. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here from my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel, where we discuss tips and tricks from your beard. We do some product reviews, some unboxings. We also have a beard advice series where you guys can send in some pictures and a brief description about what advice you're seeking to the email address below. And I take a look at that for a couple of weeks and you get featured in your own beard advice series video. So we're having a great time with that. So please check that out if you haven't. And today we've got an unboxing from Baarden. Baarden's a newer company, actually based out of Toronto, Canada. So nice presentation on the box. So we'll get into that. A little bit more about the company. It's a very small batch made to order company. So the products get made after you order them. Everything is organic, natural ingredients, no parabens, no sulfates, any of that kind of stuff. And they're just now getting into the game. If you want a more in-depth review, you can check out Tyson from Faithfully Bearded. He kind of takes a whole week and really does a good breakdown of the entire company. But I've been talking to Adam, who's one of the owners. I've been chatting through DM about a bearded community, and now I'm starting to see him pop up in lots of places. He's being very supportive of other people, other businesses, other reviewers, getting in the live streams, that kind of stuff. So really kind of embracing the bearded community and trying to get involved that way. I always love seeing that when owners do that. I wish more would do that. So you see me kind of struggling with this box here. I had to be in good shape to get here from Canada. So I'm just going to pretend I'm a kid at Christmas and rip into it. Oh, love beard mail. So I'm sure this is not the right way it was supposed to open, but that's nice blue. Blue is my favorite color. For the tissue paper there inside. Take that out. And I'm going to make a mess because I opened this out of the wrong side, I think. I think I can make it work. So there's a nice card in there. Thank you. Have a good beard day. That's always our goal, isn't it, guys? But nice presentation here. I've kind of mangled it a little bit, but it's got the sticker that's holding the tissue paper down. It's got the bird's nest kind of cardboard filler. And then we've got some products inside. So if I take off the tissue paper. Okay, so got a little card from the owner, Adam. It's got his information on a very nice presentation going on here, guys. So nice letter. I won't read all of that for you guys, but very nice. And then on the inside, this is neat. You take off the little packing paper, and then inside are the products sitting in the bird's nest. All right, so let's see what we got in the bird's nest here. I got to pick this out. So this is, it's got 3 scents right now, plus an unscented. Got a Moroccan spice and citrus, which is what I got. It sounded really good to me because I like citrus. And I've got another Morocco scent, which has got some like saffron and those kind of things in it, which I like. It also has a frankincense and sandalwood, which I know a lot of guys like. That would probably be my second pick there. And then a spearmint, pine, and musk. Pine, usually I throw up a caution flag with pine, but the more I'm trying kind of woodsy blends, some of them I like a whole lot better than others. So it seems like these days just having a woodsy blend is not necessarily a bad thing, when for me when I first started it was. So we've got a beard oil here. It's a 1 ounce beard oil. Very nice labels on this. It's a blue, cobalt blue bottle. It says, a man walked through a soak in Casablanca carrying some saffron and fresh oranges, and he thought this smelled good. All right, it's got some instructions. It's got some ingredients. Oh no, let's see if I can read these. Jojoba seed oil, sweet almond, grape seed, hemp seed, castor, and fragrance. Okay, so that's what we've got in it. Made in Canada. Let's give it a shake. Okay, take a look at that. So a little off color. That is very nice. That is orangey citrus with some extra something with those spices on the end. Yeah, I like that. And I'm curious to see how long this lasts. You know, a lot of times the citrus doesn't last a long time. This has got a nice medium oil. Yeah, that's probably going to be on my top citrus scents for sure. Okay, love that orange. And then the back notes of the saffron and the Moroccan spices. We'll see if that keeps going after the initial orange kind of wears off. So that would be interesting. But I really do like that. That's going to be a top citrus scent for sure. All right, I also got the Beard Balm. Did I get Beard Butter? I don't remember. I got Beard Balm. I like, I used to could go without the balm and kind of just mix and match, but now I'm really trying to get into having more matching beard balms to go with the beard oils. Especially because when I've got this mustache, I'm putting in a lot of wax in it these days. So if I've got a different beard balm and a different beard oil and a different kind of mustache wax, and it starts to be too much, and I really just kind of get the mustache wax and then whatever is the strongest out of what's left over. So wanted to try out the balm. He also does make a butter. And it sends them in glass, clear glass containers. That's going to have a little more insulation, so you got a better chance of it arriving to you without it melting or anything like that. So this one did not. It looks very smooth, and it looks pretty firm. Let me see if I can read the ingredients. Beeswax, shea butter, cocoa seed butter, jojoba seed oil, and sweet almond oil, and fragrance. Smells exactly the same. I'm not smelling any waxy stuff. Let's see how it comes out here. So I don't know if we can see that or not. Okay, comes out very easily. It's got some resistance to it. So I'm thinking that's gonna be at least a medium, at least a 2.5 out of 5. So I got this much. We'll put it in here, see what happens. I feel just a tiny bit of a little bit of grittiness to it, but it's not the kind of grit that just stays and stays. It just goes right away. Same scent. I'm not noticing anything stronger or weaker really. So it smells exactly the same with the same strength off my initial impressions. And that is going to be a little bit on the more, on the heavier side of medium. So I'm thinking at least a 3, maybe a 3.5 on that. So I really like that. That's nice and fresh. And it's got the citrus orange and then the spices. So sometimes you never know with citrus if it's going to be orange, or is it going to be lemon, or is it going to be grapefruit, or is it going to be some kind of combination? Is it going to smell like candy? Is it going to smell like imitation, like lemony, cleaner kind of stuff? This is a very nice citrus. So orangish, possibly like a mandarin or maybe even a tangerine on that. And then it's got the back spices on it. So I'm really going to enjoy this. I can already tell. So I'll be doing a follow-up review kind of to tell you how long things last and how it held my beard and all that kind of stuff. So I hope you've enjoyed it, guys. Stay tuned. We'll see you for the next one.